Welcome to the vibrant world of SCU Village Coffs Harbour, where your student experience meets coastal paradise. Discover the allure of this sought-after student accommodation, offering an array of tailored 4-bed, non-ensuite apartments finely tuned to your university lifestyle. Each room within these apartments is meticulously designed to foster academic excellence, featuring a plush bed, a dedicated study desk, a curated bookshelf, and ample storage. But that's just the beginning. The communal facilities offer a haven of social interaction and relaxation, boasting a fully equipped kitchen and barbecue area, revitalizing gym and pool, and inviting games room and serene study spaces. A perfect blend of environments to balance your academic pursuits and social life. Talking about location, with the prestigious Southern Cross University just a 7-minute stroll away, you'll have more time to snooze, snack, and say goodbye to long commutes. Curious about Coffs Harbour's pulse? Experience thrilling nights out at the nearby Coffs Hotel, boasting live music and captivating entertainment. And when it's time to recharge from academia, immerse yourself in iconic locales like the Big Banana or the enchanting Butterfly House. With every convenience and adventure right at your doorstep, why wait? Book your dream home today at amberstudent.com and dive headfirst into the unparalleled student living experience of student living along the Australian coast.